Okay, so in this video I will unbox a Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus 5G in Phantom Violet. It has 256 GB of storage and 8 GB of RAM. So let's unbox this phone. As you can see, the brand new kind of box, a lot thinner, without a power plug and without headphones. Really nice. And Samsung has, exactly as Apple has, the magic way of unboxing. You just lift the top of the box off like this. Feels really nice to do. And here we have the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus 5G. Very long name. Wow. As you can see, Phantom Violet. Let's check that later. What's more in the box? We have some documentation, probably. And we have a charging cable. As you can see, USB Type-C to USB Type-C. So you have USB Type-C in both ends. And as I said, some documentation, a quick start guide and warranty. That's what's in the box. Okay, so check out the phone itself. As you can see, let's remove the plastic protection like so. Nice. We have some plastic protection on the camera module too. Like so. Nice. Really nice. And we have some protection on the front. That's so good to do that. Very light actually. Very light. Compared to the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. It's a bit lighter than that. Very beautiful phone, as you can see. Very beautiful. Let's turn it on. Like so. And as we can see, we have USB Type-C in the bottom, and we have the SIM card tray. We have a speaker grill and microphones, and on this side we have nothing, and on this side we have the volume rocker and the power button and the sleep button, and at the top we have some microphones, as you can see, and we have the camera module on the back. Looks really nice. This is a nice color, I think. As you can see, here is the screen first. As you can see, really nice display. Hands down. Really nice display. And here we have the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. As you can see. So, as you can see, the Ultra is larger, taller, and a lot heavier than this. Really nice. And the S21 Ultra is also thicker. It feels thicker anyway. Probably why it's heavier. And I think the camera hole on the front, as you can see, is smaller on the S21 Ultra. I didn't know that. So the S21 Plus has a larger camera hole on the front. At least what it looks like. Maybe not. Maybe I'm wrong, but it looks like it. Both phones are really gorgeous, as you can see. Really gorgeous. So if we compare these two with the older Note 10 Plus, as you can see here. So the Note 10 Plus is larger than the S21 Plus, as you can see. But the largest phone is the S21 Ultra. Very cool. So that was an unboxing of the S21 Plus 5G. A nice phone, really nice. Power off. Like so. Check out more videos with some cases I've got from Samsung for the S21 Ultra and the S21 Plus. That will be in another video, so check it out on my channel. Okay, bye.